Let's discuss this question next. The question says find the expansion of this using binomial theorem. So what are we supposed to do over here? We are supposed to expand. This does not look like a binomial. This looks like a multinomial. Okay, but we can use concepts of binomial if you apply it smartly. And let's apply some smartness over here. And what I see is I see a 3x square minus 2ax. Okay, and then there's a 3a square over here. Let's club these two together. And this becomes one term. Take the bracket and this is power 3. Okay. So now you want to apply binomial on this. Yes, I want to apply binomial on this. This is a plus b whole cube form. There's one term a, the other term is b, and we want to apply whole power 3. Okay. A plus b whole cube is pretty simple. This is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube using binomial theorem once again. Let's see. A plus b whole power 3 is nothing but 3c0 a power 3 plus 3c1 a square b plus 3c2 a b square plus 3c3 b power 3, which simplifies to a cube plus 3c1 is 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b power 3. Why not use this directly? Obviously we'll use this directly, right? Since we know this, we'll use that directly. Now, how do we go about doing that? This is a, this is b, and whole power 3. Let's apply this. This is a cube. 3x square minus 2ax cube plus 3 times a square times b, which is 3x square minus 2ax whole square times 3a square. Okay, plus 3 times the first term raised to power 1, 3x square minus 2ax, and the second term 3a square raised to power 2. The last term will be b cube, that is 3a square power 3. This is what you'll have. Okay. What next? There's a cube over there, there's a square over here. We'll have to expand these as well. Let's show it. This becomes a minus b whole cube, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is a cube, which is 3x square power 3 minus 3 times 3x square power 2 times 2ax plus 3 times 3x square times 2ax power 2. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is 2ax power 3. Okay, that's the expansion of this. Yes, that's the expansion of this. Let's put it in a bracket. Okay, the next term is plus 3 times 3a square is what I already have, and then there's a huge term. What's that? 3x square minus 2ax whole square, which is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2 times a times b and plus b square, which is 2ax whole square. This is this term over here. What about these terms? These are pretty simple. Yes, these are pretty simple. Let's write them also down. This is 3 times 3a square whole square is 9 times a power 4. Okay, then you have 3x square minus 2x in the bracket. Let's write that also. Okay, and this is 3a square power 3, which is 3 power 3, 27, a power 6 is what I'll be getting. Yes? Okay, now the only thing which remains is simplification and addition of like terms. Let's simplify each term first of all. What is this term simplified into? This is 3x square power 3, which is 3 power 3, 27 x power 6. This is 3 square is 9 and another 3 is 27, and there is a 2 as well. Okay, let's multiply that 2 as well. Why leave out that 2? Let's multiply that 2 as well. And what do we get? 9 and 3 and 2 will be 9 times 6, 54 x power 4 x power 5 a. This is what you get. 27 times x power 6 minus 54 x power 5 times a. What is this? This is 2 square 4. 4 times 3 times 3. 4 times 9 is actually 36, right? 36 times, there's a x square, there's a x square, this becomes x power 4, then there's a square. This is what you get, right? What next? This is a minus 2 power 3 is 8, then there's a power 3 and x power 3. X power 3, a power 3 is what I'll get over here. Next, This term is 9a square. Let's multiply with this. What is this term over here? This is 9x power 4. 9 times 9 is 81. 81. There is a x power 4. There is a a square. Let it be. What next? Then you have a minus over here. This is 3 times 2 times 2. This is 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 9 is 108 with a minus. Okay. Those are the coefficients. You have x square into x is x power 3a into a square will be x power 3 a power 3. This is what you'll get, right? What next? This is 4 a square x square. This is 9. This is 36. X square, a square and a square will become a power 4. This is what you'll get. What next? This term. This is 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 81. And you have x square a power 4. This is what you have. This is a minus. This is 27 times 2 is 54. Okay. And you have a power 4 a times x. X times a power 5. Then you have 27 times a power 6 is what you have at the end. And now let us merge the like terms. We have simplified each term. Now let's merge the like terms. Add up the like terms. So begin with x power 6. What do we have? We have terms like x power 6. If there's x power 5, there's a11. If there's x power 4, there's a power 2. If there's x power 3, there's a power 3. X power 4, a square. X power 3, a power 3. Okay, there are similar terms. X square, a power 4. Okay, this comes over here. For the first time, x square, a power 4 also comes over here. X, a power 5 and a power 6. So if you observe, the powers of x and a add up to 6 in each term. Okay, let's arrange as decreasing powers of x. Decreasing powers of x, yes. So what do we have? We have, this is x power 6. Is there any other term of x power 6? No, this is a power 6 which will come at the end. A power 5 will also go at the end. A power 5, a power 2, a power 3 and a power 5 will go at the end. Okay. Sorry, this is x power 5. This will remain at the beginning. This is 27 times x power 6. Next is x power 5. There's a term of x power 5 over there. Minus 54 x power 5 a. And is there any other term of x power 5? No, there's no other term. So let's write it minus 54 x power 5 a. Let's choose a term of x power 4 and we have 36 x power 4 a square, 81 x power 4 a square. Is there any other term of x power 4? No. 81 plus 36 is 117, right? 117 x power 4 a square is what I'll get over here. This is what I'll get. Next, x power 3 a power 3. This is one term of x power 3 a power 3. And if there is any other term, yes, this is another term. 108 and 8. Is there any other term? No. So minus 108 minus 8 will be minus 116. X power 3 a power 3. Next, we have dealt with this term. X power 4 is done. X power 3 is done. Let's focus on x squared next. These are two terms containing x squared, 81 and 36. 81 and 36 added together will be 117. As we have just seen, this is plus 117 x square a power 4. Similar to that one. Next, what you have is x a power 5. And is this the only term? Yes, this is the only term of x a power 5. What is that? What next? 27 times a power 6 is what I get. And yes, that's all. This is the complete simplification of that expansion. Find the expansion of this using binomial theorem, and that is what we have done over here in this question. Is that all? Yes, that's all on this question. Let me get aside so that you can take a look at this complete solution. Okay, yes. With this, we come to the conclusion of this miscellaneous exercise from the chapter Binomial Theorem. There were some pretty interesting questions in this exercise especially. Some questions involved a lot of calculations. Actually, plenty of them involved a lot of calculations. But I hope you were able to go through those calculations, manage those calculations and practice those calculations, right? It is very important after you observe these video solutions, you should be able to practice these questions and solve such similar questions on your own. That is very, very important. So for that, what you can do is simply redo the questions that we have just solved. Same questions would actually be, once again, will increase your level, will improve your level, no doubt about that. And once you're done with that, you can practice new questions as well. Another thing which I said at the very beginning is solve the miscellaneous examples as well, right? Those are not something that we're discussing over here, but you should go through the miscellaneous examples. The examples just before the miscellaneous exercise are important and you should go through them. as well. And with this, obviously, we come to the conclusion of this chapter, this exercise. We'll meet in the next session, but yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel of Vyas Certification if you haven't done so. And also like and share this video if you have enjoyed watching the solutions with us. We are bringing this live to you, and yes, we are enjoying it so much. So keep commenting, keep liking, sharing, and subscribe to the channel of Vyas Certification. All the best.